by getting your hair done. I had a completely different topic that I wanted to talk about, but when I got my hair done yesterday, I was like, I need to talk about how getting your hair done or having your hair done just changes you. It spruces you up. Like, I've been in like a mood lately, because like I was just like, oh, my hair look a mess. Things just ain't going for me right now. I got my hair done yesterday, and baby, I'm a whole new person. Like, I'm still going through the same old things, but ain't nobody worried about that. Like, I have my hair done. You can't tell me nothing. I'm feeling brand new. I'm energized. I am just that girl. Like, I know that be feeling the same way when they get their hair cut. Like, y'all probably I ain't really feeling like myself. I'm all scruffy. Y'all go get y'all hair done. Y'all be sliding in DMs thinking y'all the man, right? It's just good. It just makes you feel good to get your hair done. To just, and it just brightens you up. Like, it really does just change a person. It kind of change you up. Not to say like, oh my gosh, I was so ugly. I'm not ugly. I never will be ugly. But it just made me feel good. It just was like, yes, thank you. Shout out to my mama, because she did my hair. First of all, my mom's the only person that let in my hair, but my mom did that, okay? Go ahead, mama. Thank you. Mama, I love you, P.O.P. all the time. Little throwback for y'all. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell. So you can get my notifications. Hey, it's Friday. Turn it up. It's Friday. Friday. Turn it up. It's Friday. Happy Fridays, guys. Happy Fridays. It's only one Friday. Happy Friday, guys. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your weekend. Have a good, fun, safe weekend. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Until next time.